Okay, this is ground zero. The drifts are... You can't walk out here. This is awesome. Drifts are blowing, snow is blowing. This is a blizzard. There's where the other photos were taken from. Out my window. Over that way. My car over there. Looks okay. Man, this is coming down. Let's take a walk. Where's my snowshoes? This drift is in deep to my shin. Oh, whoa, it's blowing. People are actually still driving. It's pretty wicked. Yeah, I would say this is a blizzard, alright. Wind is howling, snow is blowing up, down, sideways. Where I just walked through, big drift, big old snow drift, 2.5 feet deep. It's brave this way a little bit. And the gusts now. Oof. Into the wind. Cold. The snow is deep. Look at this drift right here. This is something else. Woohoo! Okay. Time to follow my tracks back. Oh, this is pretty deep. Boy, my cat he'd be gone. Ooh, look at that drift. Up to the door. Swirling. Oh, that is going to be really deep tomorrow. This is only halfway through. Well, this is Bob signing off.